Chris Anderson from Beaver Creek, Ohio. To work on my processes, trying to speed up my details and learn how to use some of the new tools that I've recently got. BusinessForce is excellent. A lot of the stuff that I'm learning, things I've already done, is what I should be doing, and picking up on a couple other things that I wasn't sure about doing. Got some hands-on training with some different machines, some different polishers that I had not used before. Tried a couple different compounds out. The interior training class was highly detailed. A lot of processes, procedures, different tools, different techniques that I hadn't used before. Amazing. It's going to save tons of time on an interior process.